how to change language setting in OKX application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your language on the OKX application using your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open the OKX app on your mobile device and log in. Once logged in, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click on your username at the top, and under User Center, go ahead and tap on Preferences. Under Preferences, tap on Language. Select a different language from your list you want to change to, and right after you do that, you'll be able to change your display language setting right away. You can always get back to the same menu and change to a different language whenever you need. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.